Hello, this is a portable printer wireless for travel, English thermal printer. It supports 8.5 inches by 11 US letter. Alright, it's compatible with Android, iOS, and laptop for home use, office, and on the go. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick open box. As you can tell, there's some thermal paper included for testing, soft case, and cables to connect to the computer and to charger. And the printer itself, and it also comes with a quick start guide. All right, so we're gonna check it out and see what is going on. This is ideal because you don't have to basically spend money on ink. But even though the paper for this printer it might be a little expensive, but I mean, it might be double the price, but it's actually worth it. Because this is basically for people that are traveling, people that are doing productions, they are on the go for different place to place, so that way they don't have to bring a bigger printer. So okay, let's figure out how to use it. So first of all, we're gonna the QRC code that is on from the front of the printer, and once we get the link, we're gonna go on it, and it's gonna take us to this, so we can choose either Mac or PC. So we go to the Apple Store, download the application, and you know the drill, and then we're gonna get this. Just make sure that your phone is actually selected to a Bluetooth. So we're gonna turn off the printer, which is 3 seconds. Press the hold for 3 seconds, and then we're gonna connect it to the application. And now we are connected. All right, so as you can see, we can print document prints, print web, print images, or even scan. So in this case, we're gonna print a document. So we're gonna click on it. It's actually a graphic for my daughter, so she can paint it. We open it up, we select it, open it up, and then hit print. And then if we hit print again, it says print is out of paper. So we gotta insert the paper, and then just make sure the letters are up where it says this side should face up. So when you place this paper, actually just make sure it's really on the center. Otherwise, it's gonna start eating the paper on the side, whatever is no. Put it on the straight. So as you can see, in this case, actually the paper is actually a little leaning to the right side, so it's gonna start eating a little bit. So just keep that in mind. And just to let you know, there's instructions on the top of the printer where you just follow as needed. So, and as you can tell on the side, it's eating a little bit, but that's just a lesson learned. So we actually do better next time. And once it's done, it should look like this. Really cool, to be honest, really cool. I'm really impressed. So this is basically for anybody, like I said before, traveling and so on. All right, so as you know, it has also options to do. In this case, we have a W9 form. We're gonna customize the pages. In this case, there are 4 pages that we can print, but we're gonna only do 1 by 1, or we can select current page as well. And also there's an option where you can do horizontal or vertical. And then once we're ready, we just click confirm. And now we're gonna hit the printer icon on the top. And in here, we can also do print settings. So we're gonna click on print settings, where we can specify how many copies we want, or if the thickness of the printer is either light, medium, or heavy. In this case, I'm just gonna select heavy. And then click on the check mark on the top, and then hit print, and then it says print is out of paper, so that way you can click OK to see what's going on, or insert the paper as I mentioned before. So make sure it's really straight. So I think I did a little bit better, but it might take a little while before you get used to put the paper in the right position. All right, so we just hit print, and the paper start printing. I'm gonna put a link on the description so you can check it out and see if you like it. There's plenty of these printers all over the internet and with different prices, but this one is actually great. And now here we are. We have a W9 form, and this is for those people that are businessmen that are on the go, and they want to print specific papers, and they don't want to bring their big printer. This is what I call thermal printer. That's it. Alright guys, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.